Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video of Fish on Wheels. We done this tank approx 2 weeks back, and to learn more about this aquarium, please watch the suggested video. Today we are going to do a routine maintenance of cleaning of this aquarium, which is going to be different from the other aquariums because, as you can see, the hardscaping of this tank is too complex, and we have to maintain the overall look of the aquarium while we are cleaning the tank. The tank is in really good condition, the water is crystal clear, and there is no such obvious traces of filth or dirt in this tank. The tank is overall very clean, but every aquarium needs a weekly maintenance. So we are going to do 3 simple steps. We are going to wash the filter. We will clean the glass from inside and outside, and we will replace the tank water with the fresh water. So we will take out 30 to 40% water of this tank, and we will put fresh water in this aquarium. When water evaporates from the tank, it leaves watermarks or calcium deposits on the glass. So I am removing the watermarks with the help of a glass cleaner or a sponge to prevent the glass from scratches. As the hardscaping of this tank is complex and we cannot take out all the rocks from the tank for cleaning, so we are taking help of this paintbrush, and we are just rubbing the surface of the rocks to remove any possible dirt from the surface. So now the dirt is floating in the tank, and now we are cleaning the glass from the inside with the help of this glass cleaner. We are cleaning all 4 sides of the tank from inside, and now the dirt is floating in the tank. Usually dirt gathered on this silicone sealant inside the tank, so I am taking help of toothbrush and removing the dirt from it. The dirt is floating in the tank, and we will take out some more water out from the tank to remove maximum possible dirt from the aquarium. We are picking dirt between the rocks and from surface of the gravel. We will wash the filter thoroughly and will clean the cartridge very carefully before installing it back to the tank. The filter has been washed. Now we are putting it back to the aquarium. We are done with cleaning now, and it's time to refill the tank with fresh water. The cleaning job has been done. It's time to clean the glass from outside. I am cleaning it with the help of a kitchen towel. I always rely on natural remedies to cure the fishes, so I always add salt in water after doing the cleaning job. Aquarium cleaning has been done, and you can see the aquarium is looking really nice, neat and fresh. The fishes are enjoying the overall setup, and I hope they will grow in this tank really soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share your feedback in comments and keep watching Fish on Wheels.